Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you for our joining Zoom. And this presentation will be talking about the importance of intercultural communication in era global. Uh, Introduce the main topic is the highlight that today world where the people business and ideas move across countries. Understanding different culture is essential for successful communication. Is a set the stage for the importance of the learning how to interact effectively across cultural boundaries. Uh, we we were group two. I am Aisyah Ayu, and this my partner Despita Aulia Wulan. And let's get started. What is intercultural communication? The study of communication across culture and the social group. Explain how culture influence and communication occurs in organization or the communities with diverse background, religious, social, ethnic, and educational. And what is intercultural communication? Define intercultural communication is the study of how the people from different culture and a background exchange information. Is show this culture influence how the people speak, behave, and interpret message. It remains is that communication isn't not just about words, but also understanding culture context. Next slide. Uh, Significance of the intercultural communication. Uh, em- Eliminating communication barriers, language, improving the effective of global communication. Three, a child show learning about other culture and the listening effectively, being open-minded. And what is significant cultural communication? Here, the focus is on why intercultural communication is important. It's a help remove communication barrier, like a language differences. How this stereotype is also improve cooperation and between people from different background by encouraging openness and empathy and active listening. Next, need for intercultural communication. One, crucial for information, business or success. Two, allows multicultural teamwork. Three, support worldwide marketing campaigns. Four, uh, driven by globalization, the removal of the national barriers for um, free flow of good labor and the ideas. Five, involve a multicultural workforce, diversity in age, gender, and ethnic ability in the face. What is a need for intercultural communication? This slide explains the world and the intercultural communication because globalization connects countries, business, and the works people must learn and to collaborate despite cultural and differences is especially important in international business, marketing, and the diverse workplace where people have the differences, gender, and the activities. Thank you.
Okay, and the next slide is Guidance for intercultural communication. Speak slowly, ask distinct questions, take turn in conversation, be supportive, write things down, check meanings careful, avoid slang, limit humor, maintain etiquette and research beforehand, be sensitive and attentive to nonverbal cues. Witness for intercultural communication is this slide provide practical steps for communication respectful across cultures, such as speaking slowly, avoiding slang, and paying attention to nonverbal signals. It emphasizes that successful communication requires patience, clarity, and cultural awareness in immigration and diplomacy. And the next slide. Importance of intercultural understanding. 1. Boost understanding and mutual respect between cultures. 2. Prevent misunderstanding that can damage relationship or business deal. 3. As an academic discipline, intercultural communication is relatively new, but the practice in Asian. And the language concerns of intercultural communication describe misunderstanding often occurs because of language barriers. This also warns about ethnonism, belief one's culture is better, which can cause prejudice. It reminds used to be open to different communication style, gesture, and personal space. And the next slide. Language, cornerstone of intercultural communication. And one, language difference are the main core of cultural misunderstanding. Ethnocentrism belief one culture is superior, causes judgmental attitudes, avoid making assumptions about other abilities or communication style. Different cultures have distinct communication norms, e.g. gesture, personal space, and eye contact. Described as believing one's culture is better, which can cause prejudice in reminds used to be open to different communication style, gesture, and personal space. Misunderstanding often occur because of language barriers. And the next slide is diversity and intercultural policy. Many companies now implement diversity policies to challenge understanding the cultural context behind the concept of diversity. Communication also differs across work while technical versus creative communication style can lead to conflict if not understood. Stereotypes are big barriers in intercultural communication. They are generalization about group. For example, thinking all people from a certain country behave the same. The slide explains that stereotype prevent real understanding and lead to unfair judgment. And the next slide is intercultural communication barriers are stereotypes. One, coined by Fermin Didot, 18th century printer. Two, modern meaning generalization about a particular group. Three, search, assessment of behavior or physical characteristic. Four, types of stereotypes, nationality, race, religion, gender, and social status. Intercultural communication barriers, stereotype, are big barrier in intercultural communication. They are organization about, for example, thinking upon all people from a certain country behave the same. The slide explain that stereotype prevent real understanding and lead to unfair judgment. And the next slide is intercultural communication barriers. B. Culture shock. A feeling of confusion and disorientation when entering a new culture caused by loss of familiar social cues, norms, and routines leads to frustration, anxiety, and stress. Phase of culture shock, honeymoon, excitement, and fascination with new culture, frustration, struggle with communication, transportation, daily tasks, adjustment, gradual adaptation, and comfort with local culture, acceptance, realization that full understanding isn't necessary, feeling at ease, prevention, be cultural, open-minded, and flexible, learn about the host culture, build genuine intercultural relationship. B. Intercultural communication barriers culture shock. Culture shock happens when someone feels loss of stress in a new cultural environment. Is caused by losing familiar routines or norms. The slide outlines stage of culture shock from initial excitement for frustration, adjustment, and eventual acceptance of the new culture. And the last part is phase of culture shock prevention. This slide explains how to prevent or reduce culture shock. The key is to stay open-minded, learn about the new culture, and form genuine relationship. Adapting doesn't mean losing your identity, but finding balance and respect between cultures. And that's all from you. Thank you so much for listening. We hope you enjoyed our presentation. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.